Hey loves, my name is Dima and you are welcome to my channel. If you're new, kindly tap that red button that says subscribe and the bell icon so you could be notified on my future uploads. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use this white oil to grow your hair thicker and longer. Please keep on watching and I'll be right back. You're welcome back. So this oil is called extra virgin cold pressed coconut oil. This is the purest and the best form that you can have coconut oil. Where I bought this oil will be linked in the description box just in case you want it. Some of you have always wanted to know where I buy my coconut oil from, so there you go. We are basically going to be getting a hot oil treatment today. I know not many of you understand what I mean by hot oil treatment on natural hair, and also not many of you have been doing this to your hair, but it's fine. I will be letting you know all of that in a minute. So I poured 60 ml worth of the coconut oil into my applicator bottle and added my essential oils in 5 drops each of the lavender, eucalyptus and peppermint essential oils. After adding in all the ingredients, I covered the bottle and tilted the bottle up and down to combine all the ingredients. Next, with the help of a beaker, I poured a very hot water into it and then placed the applicator bottle in the beaker and allowed that sit for 10 minutes until the bottle content became warm. That this treatment is called hot oil treatment does not mean that you should use hot oil to burn your scalp. Please do not use hot oil. Once the oil is warm, that's when you should start using it. A hot oil treatment helps to nourish dry, frizzy and chemically damaged hair which breaks easily or has split ends. When applied, the hot oil seals the hair cuticles, thereby moisturizing it and making it stronger so there is less breakage. Basically, hot oil treatments makes your hair stronger. They increase hair strength, they reduce dryness of both the scalp and the hair, they help with dandruff relief, they reduce frizz, they increase blood flow in the scalp which help promote healthier hair, fewer split ends. To begin the application, first off, section your hair and work or apply the treatment in sections. Spray water on each section before coating the strands with oil, starting from the scalp, the root, the hair shaft to the tips. Do not neglect the tips, very important. Reason being that they are the oldest part of your hair and they need extra care. Work the oil in, twist the section and move over to the next section. Keep going until you complete the entire hair. Please let me know if you have tried this treatment before in the comment section. If your scalp dries up really fast, your hair breaks often, you battle with split ends, single strand knots, your hair don't retain moisture, please do not sleep on this hot oil treatment. Get it done every week if possible after your wash day. Please do not wash out this treatment, very important. Leave it in your hair and style. This is the most important treatment for our hair, but we tend to neglect it a lot. Note, for you to leave this oil in your hair, you must not drench your hair with the water and the oil. Just apply this moderately. Coconut oil is one of the best oils for hair growth and thickness. Others include argan oil, castor oil, avocado oil, marula oil, jojoba oil, black seed oil, brahmi oil, and neem oil. If you watched up to this point, please let me know if you'll be trying out this treatment or what oil would you love to use instead. Let me know all of that in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember that our target is 100k subscribers, 100,000 subscribers come this month end. Share this video with your friends and ask them to join us by subscribing. Thank you and see you soon.